Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a material like this, like very trippy material, and you can animate it and do some exciting stuff. Let's get started. So first we need to create this setup with all the elements, the cameras, lighting. Um, so this is just a pretty basic setup, one just a studio kind of setup and five area lights. One, two, three, four, and five. And these basic elements. This is like a small arc. This is a sphere, which is divided into the two hemispheres. One is lit, and the other one is the psychedelic material. And this other object is this plot. And I've downloaded these materials, these objects from Quixel library. I'll quickly show it to you. Bridge. It's free for everyone. So register now and you can download all these assets. If you go to 3D assets and under uh, 3D plants, you can download this and export it directly to Blender. So let's get started making this material. So on the top, let's switch to the shading tab. Let's remove this and let's expand this tab here, and it should be the shader editor. So it involves it's pretty basic here. First we need the, the image texture, and under the color ramp I'm just emitting uh, just using the high contrast colors to show off an emission. You can also remove this, not necessary for your project. But the highlight is this item, layer weight. So, so under generated or UV, you can change the mapping. What I've seen, it works best under generated. So you can shift, select, and search layer weight, and you can this under blend, then vector. You can use the Fresnel as the vector. Sorry, it should be a normal, or you can also use the phasing. So depending on your camera angle, it starts blending and starts doing different kind of stuff. Let's change this blending, and this also uh, moves the colors from the different ranges. Let's keep it to 0.5. This was just for an example. Let's keep it for now. And yes, the other thing was, it's just a simple texture I downloaded from the internet. It could be something pretty simple, like could be like this. I just made this on my iPad Pro with Procreate. Let's try using this. Massage. Use this as a vector. Put the color node here, and you're good. You can use this alpha in emission. Pretty cool, eh? You can change the rotation here, or the Y, or the location. It still gives you pretty cool results. Let's keep this to 0. Yeah, so leave your comments. Thanks.